So at present, we're just queuing to go in to see the G's GreatEscape vehicle. And here she is. We're going to take you a trip inside and see what they've done to this vehicle. It's be special. We've got a no shoes inside, please sign. So let's see what this is all about. Wow. First impressions, wow.
So the cab area, the bed goes up, so
Okay.
it goes all the way to the top, but we're giving you an idea of both. So you've literally got the children's pods. It comes down lower when we lower the seats,
Yep.
fold the seats down, and so they've got their full-size single beds, whiteboards on the walls, cupboard space at the back, televisions.
Got their own TV, look at that.
They all fold down.
Oh, beautiful. I bet it's better than being at home.
Well, this is our home.
Well, your
Yes.
daughter's just filled me in. Oh, I bet you're loving it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
absolutely beautiful.
Full-size sofa
That's gorgeous.
and a full-size Howden's kitchen.
Howdens, wow. We deal with Howdens.
Do you?
Yeah.
So we've been able to go, because it's a 12-ton lorry, we've been able to go with real oak. So we've got oak flooring,
Yeah.
oak door.
All the weight. It doesn't apply.
Yeah. So we
Wow, that's gorgeous.
made American white oak, that is. And then the table that we made was French oak, because it's half the weight.
Okay.
So it's easier to get out, make
Yes.
and put up and stuff.
Yeah.
But we've done this for the dogs, so the dogs can
Perfect idea. Yeah.
keep them in there and they can still hear and see us.
Yeah,
Yeah, just
we're loving it. I'm loving it. And this is what, your 7th week?
Yeah, 7 weeks
Yeah.
of life on the road.
And have you got a base to go back to?
We do, yeah. We got a couple of places
Yeah.
from our hometown that we go back to. So yeah, we base ourselves in our hometown when we work. So we travel for 6 weeks and go home for 2. And yeah, it's working for us. Although it's new for us still, but we're
Yeah.
finding our feet. And
Yeah.
yeah, this is our first off-grid actually. So our solar panels are working for the first time
Yeah.
on their own. And
you can come
yeah.
in.
And we've got plenty of sun, so you've got all your solar you want.
Exactly. Yeah,
Lots of
exactly.
visitors. So you go home, you do your washing.
No,
You don't? You do it all here?
yeah.
You're going to tell me you've got a washing machine?
We
aren't
do
you?
have an in a cupboard outside. We have a washing machine, but we also use
Come in if you
laundrettes
want.
and stuff like that.
Okay.
This is our permanent home now,
Yes.
and so I often ask my mum to do some for us,
Yes.
but
Yes.
no, we just do it as and when we need it. To be
Fantastic.
honest, it works well for us.
And how do you find parking? Because I'm looking, it's a big vehicle.
Yeah, it's a big vehicle, but we've always known we'll probably use CL sites, campsites. You know, for me, safety is paramount because we've got children.
Pets.
We're not going to just rock up on a roadside.
No.
So, and we always knew that.
Yes,
And
yeah.
and so we don't have a problem with the size of the vehicle for a lot of campsites. We let them know in advance, but
Yeah.
now they kind of ask you what you've got. They on their website they tell you what they can accommodate. So
Yes.
it's not really a problem.
No, no.
So yes, we'll find problems. I'm sure there'll be some places we won't
We're
be able
always
to go.
gonna do this,
for,
yeah.
But we understand that.
So country lanes a little bit hard.
We've got an Arctic lorry sat nav, so
Yeah.
we put in our weight, our size, our height, and
Yes.
it diverts us.
Fantastic.
So we don't want that hassle.
So you don't follow the Google Maps that takes you down every little lane possible.
No, we avoid Google Maps like the plague.
Yeah, well, thank you. Well, thanks very much for showing me around.
You're
I'll have a look in the
welcome.
back if I can.
Yeah, please
and,
do.
I'll let you know where to put it.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Take a leaflet.
I will do.
Our details are on the back. Come
Lovely.
on in, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, come in. Please do.
The engine out, we built the engine. Lovely. Then sold it.
Okay, thank you. Look at that for a view, guys.
Pulls off really well. It does. For an automatic, you wouldn't. It's not rough or anything. But we've got
Floor, the detail is amazing.
top GTR that I think
And here's the bathroom.
it can be a one.
I'm sure there's a shower in there. Yes, there is. Full-size shower. This is just pure luxury for people that are actually doing this for full-timers. And going to pound round to the bedroom. It looks like there's a pull out there to give you the actual room. And a beautiful double bed. Every little bit of detail. Absolutely amazing. So if you're thinking of going full time, this is the way to do it, guys. I'm amazed. Truly amazed. Oh, there we go, just to confirm. There's the pull out for the bedroom.